Hi, my name is Colin Arsenault and welcome to the Kangen journey. I'm going to do a brief presentation about Kangen water and its three properties. So first I'm going to start by showing the pH of various types of drinks. I have Sprite, so that's a type of pop, it's carbonated water, and then I got Gatorade Frost. This is what is always advertised for athletes to drink, and many people go to the gym, drink that water. So we're going to test that to see what it's really like. Here's Dasani water. And finally, Kangen water, 9.5 pH. All right. So I'm going to take some pH testing drops and put that into these different drinks, and then we'll see what kind of pH we get. The pH scale goes from 1 to 14. Anything that's a low pH is going to be acidic. That's going to come out yellow to orange, and then green is neutral, and then alkaline is purple. So just by simply putting the drops in these waters, we'll see what we get here. So there's a Sprite. Now you can see that's come up very acidic. That's yellow. A little bit on the orange side. Now I'll go for the Gatorade. Sports drink that people pay millions of dollars for. You see that? That's very acidic as well. Here's Dasani water. Again, that's acidic. So acidic water is not good for us. Our body is a little bit alkaline, and if you have a fish tank and the water gets acidic, your fish are going to die. The same goes for us. We really shouldn't drink that. We should drink alkaline water. So here's the Kangen water, the 9.5 pH. Oh, look at that! And that's it. That's purple. That's purple water. That's alkaline water. That's 9.5 pH. So of all these waters here, clearly the Kangen water 9.5 pH is the best. Now I'm going to show another property of the water. The first property was that it's alkaline. The second is that it is antioxidant. How would water be antioxidant? Really only fruits and vegetables are, or blueberries. All of us have taken cod liver oil when we get sick because of the antioxidants, and their green tea has antioxidants. And now I'm going to talk to you about this and show you this here. Remember that free radicals cause disease, but antioxidants eliminate free radicals. When I put this meter in the water, notice how that's a positive number, that's plus. That means the water is old. This is aging. So it's not as good for us. Back to here's Gatorade. That is 272, 231. So that's high, that's all oxidized. Right, here's the Dasani water. We're getting 295, 307, high, positive 307. It's all aged, it's all old water. Now we'll go to the Kangen water 9.5. And instantly notice this minus sign. We got minus 500, minus 518. So that's a huge difference, minus 560. That's a huge difference compared to the others. When all the others were above, they were positive. This is actually negative. This means that it's loaded with antioxidants. It actually has so much that if you were to eat 5 pounds of blueberries, you're still not getting as much as from 1 glass of this. So this is anti-aging water. And that is the second property of the water, that it's antioxidant. Now I'm going to show the final property of Kangen water, and this is one of the most exciting properties. This Kangen water actually has a different structure than other types of water. Proves the machine is not just a filter. It's actually much more than that. It has a much greater value than a filter. I'm going to take a tea bag like that. This is green tea. Now, normally to make tea, you heat up the water, and when you heat up the water, it shrinks down the molecule clusters of the water, so they actually become smaller and they can permeate the tea bag. But Kangen water actually has a smaller structure through ionization, and I'm going to show just what I mean by that. Here's Dasani water, which is ordinary water. I'm going to put that in the tea bag, on the tea, just like that. See how it doesn't, really make tea because the water's cold. But now we're going to take some antioxidant, alkaline, microclustered Kangen water and pour that in the tea, just like that. Amazing. Already you can see that we were able to make tea through cold Kangen water, which means that the Kangen water was able to go through the tea bag. So just to prove that it's not like that, just because the tea bag is already wet, I'll go back to Dasani water and see there. See, it didn't make tea. So once again, we'll go back to the Kangen water, and there we go. So we can make cold tea with Kangen water, and what that means is that this water is going to super hydrate our cells and super hydrate our body. We're going to absorb most of this water even before it gets down to our stomach. We're going to absorb it through our throat and our lungs. It's also going to hydrate our brain within 10 seconds. And it's going to bring all these antioxidants into our body much quicker. So that is the most exciting thing about Kangen water that I think. But it's also alkaline water, which is amazingly good for you, and then it's antioxidant. So those are the three properties of Kangen water. It is alkaline, antioxidant, and microclustered. Thank you for watching.